Okay, morning guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. Today we're at a temple called Wat Phra Singh. It's located in the old city of Chiang Mai. That's the school we're looking at right here, and it's full of young monks. Having the school in the temple is not unusual at all, but having all the young monks is a new one for me. They're not all monks, and having the young monks, the junior monks, is not that unusual either. It says entrance fee for foreigners is 40 baht. Are you kidding me? Everybody else gets in for free. Welcome to the tourist trap that is Chiang Mai. Not the entire country or city is like this, but some places, wow. Getting charged to get into a small temple, that's a first. You know, there's some really big ones that you have to pay to get into. But yeah, this is, I'm not sure how that works. There's work being done. That's a very old building. As is that one behind it, very big. You know, it's sad really to see something like this turn into a tourist trap. It really is. There's a lot of work being done here. That's why it's blocked off. I don't know where you pay your anything. I don't see a reason to pay. And I have no problem donating to any temple I visit, but having to buy a ticket, here it's 20 baht, up here is 40. I don't agree with that at all. Sorry, but you know, it's just my opinion. And there's, okay, here we go. There's something in here. There's a meeting over there. That's the building that's being worked on, so it's off limits. This one is very old as well. But look at this golden pagoda. Wow. 2 or 3 of them? That's pretty spectacular. It really is. No shoes in the temple, yeah? See the shoes there? That's where you stop. Very old. Out the back here is quite nice. The grounds itself is a lot bigger than I thought it was. There's some basic rules if you don't know. It's just a little respect, you know. When you go to the temple, dress appropriately. Wow. Look at the elephant. Beautiful. This is a big sleeping Buddha. There's another sign of things not to do. I've never seen this in temples before. It probably has a lot to do with the amount of tourists they get here. And I know in the past they've had a lot of problems with Chinese people doing things in temples that shouldn't be doing. Plus probably a lot of other people, but the Chinese were in the news, I think last year or year before. So now the signs in many languages. Beautiful place. A lot better than I thought it was going to be at the start, that's for sure. Alright guys, well that's it. Wat Phra Singh, right inside the old city. Easy enough to get to. I'm here early in the morning. It's about 7 or 7:30. It's pretty quiet, middle of the week. Other than the guy cutting the grass, it's pretty quiet. Not many people. It's nicely taken care of, except for, you know, the construction site. But that means they're making it better. Don't agree with the entrance fee, and I never paid it. I never saw anywhere to pay it. One last look. Some serious picture taken right there, and a selfie stick. It's pretty nice, yeah? Look at that. That looks really cool. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are free. I will go make my donation before I leave. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, today'd be a good day to do it. Interesting place. I'm sure that's overrun with tourists in the busy season. But that's alright. I'm here, it's nice and quiet, I get to enjoy it.